question 2 straight ahead. Now, question 2 of this series says the number of hydrogen ions in 9.8 gram of H2SO4 solution. That's sulfuric acid. So solution, quickly, no time. Now, the number of hydrogen ions in this solution of H2SO4. Now, looking at the question very well, anytime they ask you for the number of a particle, what are particles? Now, particles are usually atoms, molecules, and ions. Atoms, molecules, and ions. These are particles. So what does it mean to be a particle? What does it mean to be a particle? Everything you call matter have a smaller part. Everything you call matter have smaller part called elements. So everything around you matter have smaller parts called elements. So the smallest part of everything called matter has an element. Either that matter is a compound, it's a mixture. So what makes up compound? Elements. What makes up mixture? Elements. So the elements have smaller parts. These smaller parts are usually the atoms. It was first observed by the nucleus. We talked about by the nucleus. We fully talked about first by John Dalton in 1808. Now the molecules also are one of these building blocks of elements. Again, just that a molecule is 2 or more atoms combined with a covalent linkage. That's the molecule. Also for ions, ions are charged species of 2 or more atoms, or even charged species of molecules. The ions. So how do you form ions? By loss or gain of electrons. Are we there? Now, being there, now once you see a question that asks you calculate the number of ions, calculate the number of atoms. That question is from Avogadro's hypothesis. Avogadro's hypothesis. Yes, Avogadro's hypothesis. Now that question is from this place. Now what did Avogadro's hypothesis say? He said 1 mole of a substance, 1 mole of a substance, be it a molecule, an atom, an element in molecule form, an element in the atomic form, or even ions. 1 mole of a substance contains 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23 particles. So particles are these. Now let's look at what they give us. They give us for H2SO4. Now I want to look at the number of ions in H2SO4. We're going to look at the number of hydrogen ions in H2SO4. Knowing fully well that 1 molecule of H2SO4, 1 molecule of H2SO4 contains 2 hydrogen ions, as you are seeing, H2. So if it dissociates in solution, this happens in every strong acid in solution. It gives me H plus 2 of it plus SO4 2 minus. SO4 2 minus. So 1 molecule of H2SO4. So 1 mole of H2SO4 gives me 2 mole of hydrogen. Gives me 2 mole of hydrogen. So hydrogen gives me 2 mole of hydrogen. So quickly, let's dive into this. Let's quickly dive into this quickly. Now diving into this very fast. Let's see now. First of all, for we to solve, we have to know the number of moles of H2SO4 present. So how do you calculate the number of moles of H2SO4? So H2SO4, for instance, they gave us, remember, number of moles, before I say anything, number of moles is mass over molar mass. Yes, mass over molar mass is for number of moles. Quickly, was the mass of H2SO4 given? Yes, it was given. So we can calculate the moles. So we need to calculate molar mass of H2SO4. Now joining it, H2SO4 is 2 hydrogen, H2SO4, 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, which is 32, and O is 16. So molar masses are constant. They are usually sometimes given in questions. So for UTME cases, they are usually given, but what if they don't give you, just know them. Are we there? So H2SO4, if you have the molar mass, that should be 2, for 1 plus 1 is 2, plus sulfur is 32, plus 16 times 4. So total we have 98 gram per mole. That's for molar mass. That's the SI unit. We did this on the solubility video. If you have not watched the solubility video, go check it out. So perfect. Now, looking at this very fast, the molar mass is 98. So what is the number of moles for H2SO4? That should be 9.8 over 98, which is 0.1 moles. So 9.8 gram of H2SO4 simply means there are 0.1 moles of H2SO4 in solution. So quickly, and if 1 mole of H2SO4 as the standard, we produce 2 moles of hydrogen ion, it means 0.1 moles of H2SO4 will give me 0.1 times 2, because from 1 to 2 is multiplied by 2. Will give me 2 times 0.1 moles of hydrogen ions. So therefore, it means 0.1 times 2 is 0.2. So finishing this question down here very fast. So if I'm to finish that question here, it means that 1 mole of an ion or 1 mole of hydrogen constant from Avogadro's hypothesis. Yes, Avogadro's hypothesis will give me 0.06.02 times 10 raised to power 23 ions. Therefore, from my equation, because they gave us 0.1 moles, so from what was given, 0.1 mole of H2SO4, I told you, is the same as 9.8 gram of H2SO4 solution. So, and 0.1 mole of H2SO4 means, from the breakdown of the ionic equation, means there are 0.2 moles of hydrogen present. So if 1 mole of hydrogen ion should be these ions, according to Avogadro, therefore 0.2 moles of hydrogen ion will give me dash. So I'll just call it X. 0.2 moles of hydrogen ion will give me dash. So I'll just call it X. So that's what the question was looking for. So cross and multiplying, if I make X subtract the formula, it means X multiplied with 1 is equal to 0.2 times 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. That makes X equal to 1.204. Please touch your calculator. Check your calculator wherever you are. Touch it. 0.2 times 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23. Touch your calculator. You see you have 1.204 times 10 raised to the power 23 ions. That makes my answer option B. Now, what if they give you other questions? This question can come in various forms. I've seen past questions that says, how many atoms are present in 23 grams of sodium? How many atoms are present in 23 grams of sodium? When they ask you to calculate the number of atoms, how many atoms? I told you it's from Avogadro's hypothesis. Which are the standard saying 1 mole of the substance contains these particles. So it means if I'm working with sodium atom Na, it therefore means that 1 mole of sodium atom contains 6.02 times 10 raised to the power 23 atoms. So they gave us 23 grams, for instance. It's left for you to convert 23 grams to moles. So 1 mole of Na standard give us these particles. Therefore, if you convert that to moles, so mole give us what number of particles. So you can apply this technique while solving other questions. So we'll be looking at this series more and more. Those of us writing UTME examination, just stay tuned, especially the calculation aspect. Also, biology videos will be dropping very, very, very soon. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video. Share for your friends, help your friends, especially the ones that are writing this exam. Help them. So have a nice day till I see you again.